Hey, what's up guys, this is Skyforce95 here with an extremely exciting unboxing. Super excited for this. I'm pretty much stumbling upon my words right now. This is the Sony a6000 or a6000 mirrorless camera here. It will be replacing my current filming setup, which is just my iPhone literally, which is not bad. But there's so much more that I can do with it, the aperture, depth of field, all that great stuff on an actual mirrorless camera. So decided to go with this one. Couldn't wait until Black Friday to get a better deal, which I probably should have. Could have saved a lot more money, but $628 for this thing is still not a bad deal. So just to give you guys a quick look around the box, feel free to pause this if you want to read all the fancy little text here, which I know some of you do. But yeah, here this is just advertising some of the stuff that you can also accessorize this camera with. So that's pretty much it. I did already open this up just to see how it is because, I couldn't help myself, but there was there's no tape or anything covering this up, which I found was a little strange. But anyways, everything seemed to be fine. So first off, we're greeted with all the literature, and there is definitely a whole lot of it. It has the warranty statement here that you can definitely read through, register your product, and here is talking about the AC adapter, and I believe this is just different languages for the exact same thing. This one is just, I think, advertising some of Sony's software. And this one looks like software, talking about the software for this camera that you can probably upgrade. And talking about, because this is equipped with Wi-Fi and NFC, so you can pair this with your phone. And here is some of their lenses guides. So of course you don't want to stick with the kit lens, which I did buy. This one comes with the kit lens of the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens here with that f3.5 to 5.6. It also, inside the lens itself, has built-in optical stabilization, which is quite nice. Unfortunately, if you don't use Sony's E-mount system, you will lose that optical stabilization unless you have a special adapter. It's just FYI. And then here is just advertising for their MasterCard. So this is the instruction manual in English, in Spanish. Alright, so sorry I spent so much time on the literature. Here's the actual stuff now. So of course camera, we're going to do that last because we want to build up suspense. And here we have the strap. It has a nice little Alpha logo right there, and this one you can use to, of course, strap up your camera. Here is the USB power adapter, and then here is the eyepiece cup that you can attach onto the viewfinder. And we have the battery right here. Definitely recommend you buying more batteries because you don't want to ever be with a dead battery, which is what I plan to do. And then here it includes a micro USB cable for charging and transfer. And let's see here, I believe the final thing in this box is the actual camera. Alright, here we go. Trying not to get my fingerprints on this thing. I did buy several accessories for this thing already, specifically a screen protector for the screen here, which articulates like this. Unlike the a5000, it is not able to flip all the way up, mainly because the viewfinder here is blocking it. But whatever, most high-end cameras don't do that anyways. So let's see if I can get this thing by itself. Just clear this stuff out. Alright, just a quick tour of this thing since this is just unboxing and first look. Review will have to come later when I can fully test this out, and you'll definitely see the video quality in my later videos once I switch over to this as my main filming device. So as you can see, it works on Sony's E-mount system, and here's the lens cover right here. This is the 16 to 55 millimeter kit lens that it comes with. You can adjust the focus here and the zoom with this knob here. the usual 1/4" threading. And then here on the bottom is where you can see the SD card as well as the battery. So it takes a full SD card right here and the battery right here. Let's see here. Here on the side is where the HDMI would be. Right here, and as well as the micro USB you can use to transfer data. And then we have these little hooks for your attach a strap with, and you can see it's rubber textured here for a good grip. Feels good. It's definitely much lighter than a DSLR. It's heavier than what I'm used to, of course. Here's the function dial here, and I think this is one of those customizable dials. You have another custom button here, and there's another custom button right here that you can program to whatever you like. And then here's the actual shutter button, and then on off. Let's see, I'm going all over the place, sorry guys. But here's the button you use to detach the actual lens. I'm not going to actually do that right now. Let's see here, before I move on to the buttons here. I think that's pretty much it. Well, electronic viewfinder here. You can put the eyepiece here, and you can adjust the zoom, I assume, with this little dial here. And this is a multi-interface hot shoe that you can attach maybe a microphone or a flash. But it also has a built-in flash, which you can press this button right here, and you can use it to bounce the light off walls and whatnot. It's flexible, which is really neat. And then you have all these lovely buttons here. So yeah, I'll go into all that, of course, in the full review, and there's a dedicated video button right here, which is really convenient. So I think I pretty much covered everything, hopefully. And of course this one has NFC, but I cannot demo that right now without a battery in it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the Sony a6000, super excited mirrorless camera. And that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want it to make it too long, so stay tuned, and I'll be doing several videos on its video quality test shots, picture quality test shots, interface, whatnot. If you want to see something specific, leave it in the comment section down below. But that would do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.